So we're working on a brake job today. It's a 2016 Range Rover with a TD6 diesel. Not that that matters for the brake job, but we got new brakes. This thing has a brake sensor, so I'll link in the description with the brake kit that we bought for this, but that's what we're going to be working on today. We need something else too. This is going to go back as a spare tire, right? So this is the brake wear sensor. I recommend you pull it out of here. Sorry for shakeover. It should just pop right out of there. So you can pull that out, get it out of your way. This kit actually comes with a new cable, so we'll put that in there as well. So these bolts are 13 millimeter. Man, I want to torque these things. They have Loctite on them too, so. Oh shit. That's nice. We need a wrench too. You can actually just undo one of these and pull this whole brake caliper off. But of course, pry bar was also something we had last time, but this time. If you're a true professional, you got a little hook to hook this thing on. Precariously balance it up here. It's real nice shiny. And then these shoes just pop out this way. Now we're going to have to take this whole bracket off so we can change them. So we've got new rotors. So this is the one that's causing the wear light to come on. It's really not that low, but make sure you don't lose that little clip. That's huge, Caroline. It's probably like a 19 millimeter. Did you bring any extensions at all? Big enough. Sizes in this set.
19 millimeter here.
Nope. Shit. Lost our freaking light. That was gonna happen. Problem with the aluminum vehicle. Okay. Jeez, those some bitches were tight. Well, if they had Loctite on them. They probably had Loctite on them. Oh, it doesn't look like it. Just taking any coating that's on these shoes off. So these are part of the power stop kit. They're vented, drilled and slotted rotors. So I clean this up really good so there's no rust between the new rotor. Here we call this clean surface. So got a really good mating surface. If you don't have these two real clean, then you could get rotor pulsation from that, from rust buildup on these. Hole in the right spot for the wheel lock. Where's that tip for this? Size, but I'm pushing the brake pistons back, which pushes fluid back into the reservoir, so you can overflow the reservoir. So you want to monitor the reservoir while you push these back. You got to push these back because the new pads are thicker, so it won't fit unless you push these pistons all the way back. So I just use an old pad and push the brake pistons back. So we just push these pistons all the way back with a brake compressing tool. So 60 degrees would be would be at right angle, right? Mm-hmm. So 60 would be a 90 minus 30, so I'm going to go from there. Oh God. It's possible. I think we might have got 30 degrees more. That's going to happen. I guess that's why they were so fucking tight. show it after the fact. Okie dokie. Is that it? Over me. Probably should put that clip in that thing. See those bolts, the new bolts? Lock tight. That's 17 millimeter. Wrench. Fucked up. I need a thinner wrench. Damn wrenches for this. Newton meters. So I'm cleaning off the brake sensor and just make sure that little metal clip is in there, and that just clips into this brake shoe. And then this guy should just pop in the bleeder screw cover, put it over the nut, and then put the cap back on. Keep struggling with. Alright, so that's that. Now we're going to torque these to 35 Newton meters. We'll have to do a conversion. Okay, so 35 Newton meters is about 25, 22, 24, 25 foot-pounds. When you tighten these, you also have to put a socket here. Should be a 13 millimeter. You need a 13 millimeter socket for the back side, and then a 17 millimeter. You really need a thin wrench to fit in here, but to hold that backer thing. It's not very tight. Them bolts are easy to shear off, so ask me how I know. And they're supposed to be replaced. That's why I put new bolts in there. So that's this side done. We're going to just put the wheel back on and torque it down to 105 foot-pounds.